Beautiful. You love it? You're so silly.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be doing another hairstyle on my daughter. And first I'm just taking some water and moisturizing her hair before I begin with the products. So after combing her hair, I am now going to part her hair from the front to the back. And now that I have parted one side, I'm going to put one side up so I can do another part, kind of like having 4 squares in her head. So now I'm going to put in some leave conditioner to moisturize her hair and comb it through. And now I'm just going to put her hair in a ponytail. So here comes the fun part. So now I'm sectioning off pieces of her hair and I'm going to create little twists, and I'm going to do about 3 or 4 of these in her one ponytail. And now I'm going to put beads on each twist. I really love beads. Like, I have fallen in love with beads. I don't understand why. I think they're so cute in little girl hairs. And it makes it last. And by putting beads on the twist, it actually prevents breakage on her ends. You know, a lot of times we don't protect our ends as well as the middle or the front of the head. So I really like utilizing my beads in my hairstyles. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to create that part so that way I can create her ponytail, do her twist, and put her beads on. So now I'm going to focus on the back of her head, and as you can see, I decided to just do one ponytail because she was giving me the blues, y'all. She was giving me the blues. Life of a mom, like, it just is what it is. You get over it and you go with the flow. But nonetheless, she has to get this head done. She can't be walking around looking crazy.
Beautiful. You love it? You're so silly.